Hello, namaste to you all guys. Today we are going to unboxing Ultima earbud. You can see here this product I am going to unboxing, and please be continue with this video. I'm also going to review what is it's a quality product or not quality product. In this video I am going to give full information about this one. So I am going to unboxing this one. So firstly we need to eject it from here. This is the receipt of this one, and you need to see that one. And then so this is the Ultima Boom 211 earbud. So now we are going to open it. नज़दीक बना है हाथों पर एक मिनट होगा. So this is the earbud. You can see here, and we are also going to see what are inside the earbud. This is the detail of this product. I think this is the data cable for this. And so this is, I think this is for that one. And so we are also going to review this product, what are the sound, and it's a bass, volume, and etc. We are going to test. Stop for now. Stop. This one Ultima Boom 21111, you can see here, and now we are going to testing the sound. I think this product is good, and there's little bit about the bass sound. It's little bit noisy, but I think for the volume and for the background it's a good, and but for the bass sound it's a little bit noisy, and so I think this product is good, and for the bass little bit only not good, but everything is good. And so you can purchase it, and it's a good product. Thank you for watching our video.